In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Dell monitor flickering problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your Dell monitor is indeed powering on, but it keeps flickering while you are using it or gaming, it's usually a problem attributed to the drivers that you have installed or the cable that you are using. So the very first thing that I would recommend looking into is the cable. Make sure that you have a high quality HDMI or DisplayPort cable by ensuring that your cable meets the requirement of the monitor and that you are using a high quality cable. You won't see any sort of flickering, and using higher quality cables also ensures that you can get high frame rates or refresh rates like 144, 165, and so on. With this done, you are mostly good to go on the cable side. However, you might want to take a look into the actual power cord that you are using. Usually, there is no easy way to replace these, but if you notice that the connection is loose or you want to try a different power outlet, I would recommend doing so as well, alongside the HDMI or DisplayPort cable that you are using. Now, on to actual Windows fixes. The next thing that I would recommend is to update your video drivers. If you aren't sure which graphics card you have, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and you will be able to find your graphics card under Display Adapters. If you have something like integrated graphics, I would recommend just right-clicking this and then updating the driver. But if you have a dedicated GPU from AMD or NVIDIA, go over to their website instead, note down the model name, and you will be able to download the drivers. So for example, NVIDIA RTX, you can select the series from here, and once you choose the appropriate series of cards that you are using, you will be able to download the actual drivers that you need. The same can be done for AMD. So graphics, RX, choose the series and update the drivers. If all else fails, it could be an actual faulty hardware inside of the monitor, and in that case, I wouldn't recommend replacing it yourself. I would recommend talking to the Dell customer support and making sure that the agents can replace the monitor for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Dell monitor flickering problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.